second video of the trading lesson series. If you have not seen the first video, then you can click on the link which is given in the description and see it. I had shared an image in all my social media channels about this second lesson. So let me just read it out for you. The risk reward ratio should always be greater than 1. When you follow that, the probability leans in your favor. So now let me just give you an explanation of what this means. Hello guys, I am Vinayak from niftinayak.com. Do like and follow and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about trading and investment. Everyone who enters stock market wants huge return with very less risk. And let me tell you, there is no strategy, not just in stock market, in any field for that matter, where you have a small risk and huge reward. Everywhere the risk and reward always go hand in hand. The more risk you take, the more reward you get. Even in stock market, 99% of the people who call me for enquiries, the first question they ask me is, sir, what is the reward? I always tell them, this is not Alibaba's Khajana, where you come, you put 1 lakh and take 2 lakh. If it was so easy, then there wouldn't be poverty in India. Everyone would be super billionaires. So, always when you are doing any business, make sure you take this much risk and you expect this much reward. I met one famous businessman, I will not take his name. You know what he told me? Every time, whenever you are doing business, you should take risk till here and you should expect only this much reward. That's when you will be successful in any business. So even in stock market, it is no different. So when people ask me what is the reward they can expect, I ask them what is the risk they are ready to take. In stock market, you can take any amount of risk. I tell them, you give me 5 lakh rupees and you tell, sir, I am ready to lose the entire 5 lakh rupees. Do whatever you want in stock market. Trust me, in 1 month, you give me 1 month's time. In 1 month, either I will double that 5 lakh and make it 10 lakh, or I will lose the entire 5 lakh. Are you okay for that? If you are okay, you can contact me. I am ready to do that. So, whenever people ask me for reward, I ask them what is the risk they are willing to take. Are you willing to take 50% of your capital as risk? Are you willing to take 20% of your capital as risk? Or are you willing to take 5% of your capital as risk? The reward, what I suggest them and what I tell them to expect is, whatever percentage of risk you are willing to take, you can expect half of that as your reward on a monthly basis. If you are willing to risk 10% of your capital, then you can expect 5% return in stock market on a monthly basis. If you are willing to risk 50% of your capital, then you can expect 25% return on your capital. Now, it doesn't mean that you will get. That's what the risk reward definition tells. Whenever things work in your favor, you get the reward, and whenever things don't work in your favor, you have to bear the risk. So this is how you should prepare your mind before you enter stock market. And this is a common thing. When you watch all the news channels, you watch all the blogs, trainers, advisors, they tell you that your risk will be just 5,000 rupees, but if you win, you will make 50,000 rupees. But nobody talks about the probability. Yes, mathematically on paper, everything is true. So you buy a call option and invest 5,000 rupees. In the worst case, you will lose only 5,000 rupees. And if it works in your favor, you will make 5 lakh rupees also. Mathematically and theoretically, it works. But when it comes practically, what is the probability? Let's say out of 10 trades, will you be able to make that kind of a profit in 9 trades? And in 9 trades, if you are losing that 5,000 rupees, and if there is one trade where you are doubling your capital, then what is the point? Which nobody talks about. So probability, let me tell you, is one of the interesting topic, especially for me. In my college days, I never used to bother about reading about these probabilities, but nowadays I read a lot about probability. So I would suggest you people also to learn a lot about probability and learn how to make the odds work in your favor. When you do that, can expect to come out in profit. Okay. Again, don't just concentrate on risks and reward. Concentrate on probability and how to bend the probability in your favor, which is very, very important. And again, it is not a one sentence answer for me to tell you how you do all these things. It is a process. It doesn't happen in a day. Rome was not built in a day. So do like and follow and subscribe to my channel and associate with us so that you can learn step by step. This game is building a skyscraper. You can't build it in a day. You have to lay brick by brick, slowly. First, you have to set your foundation right. Then you can build the skyscraper. I hope you guys like the video. Do like and follow us. Very soon I will be coming out with my trading lesson series third video as well. So I will keep you posted. Thank you for watching.